In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for real estate. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to optimize your workflow in real estate, we'll be breaking down the essential steps to get you started with this versatile tool. So let's dive right in and explore how to make Monday.com your go-to platform for managing real estate projects effectively. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is go to Monday.com. This is your hub for project management, where all the magic happens. If you don't already have an account, creating one is very straightforward. Just follow the prompts on their site. Once there, you'll land on your main workspace page, which is designed to be intuitive with its clean layout and easy navigation. Now, let's set up a new board specifically for real estate. To do this, look for the plus sign. It's usually located at the top or side of your screen, depending on your interface. Clicking this symbol is akin to starting a new project file. It initiates the process whereby you can customize your workspace to fit your exact needs. After clicking the plus sign, the next step is to head over to the Template Center. The Template Center is an incredibly useful feature within Monday.com, offering a wide selection of pre-designed templates catering to various industries and project needs. This is where you'll find the starting block, a perfect way to save time and ensure you're implementing best practices from the start. When you're in the Template Center, you might notice numerous categories. For our purposes, we'll need the Real Estate section. It's either visible directly, or you might need to search for it using the search bar found within the Template Center. This way, you'll automatically filter out all non-relevant templates, bringing you directly to the ones suited for real estate. Next, click on the template that seems best fitted to your specific real estate needs. At this point, you'll see an overview of what the template offers, including an insight into its structure and intended use. Each one is uniquely tailored, whether you're handling transactions, tracking sales, managing properties, or coordinating with teams. Once you've reviewed and decided on the perfect template, it's time to bring it to life in your workspace. Click on the button labeled Use Template. This action will integrate the template into your main board, allowing you to start entering data and customizing fields to match your workflow specifics. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you are now set up with a dynamic tool that can streamline your real estate management responsibilities. With Monday.com, managing your projects can be both efficient and effective, thanks to its tailored solutions and user-friendly interface. Feel free to explore more features and see how they can assist in your everyday